Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. For every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. So for the month of October, it is In the Palm of Your Hands, Greatest Hits Volume 2. I will put a link for that in the description box down below, as well as links to all my other giveaways that I've got going on right now. So today we're going to be unboxing GLOSSYBOX for October. GLOSSYBOX is $21 a month. There's usually some deluxe size and full size products in here. I do have a code for GLOSSYBOX, and I will get you 20% off your first box. I'll put that in the description box down below as well. I like the boxes because they're so sturdy and you can store lots of stuff in them. There is a card right on top for it's a $100 wine voucher. So I don't buy my wines online, so the first one to use this code can use it. There's a card in here that talks about the different products. It says, Glossies, don't forget to snag yourself one of the GLOSSYBOX 2019 Advent calendars. Our subscribers get the first priority starting October 8th and have a week until it's available to the public. This may be one of our biggest box values, over $500 yet. So don't miss out on grabbing it, the perfect treat for every day till Christmas. Also, our upcoming holiday limited edition box is the last one of its kind for the year. And it's as decadent as you'd imagine. With products meant to dazzle, wow, and awe, it's the perfect gift for the holidays. So grab your lattes, Glossies. Fall brings out the cardigans and pumpkin spice in all of us. However, with this season changing, you should also follow suit with your regime. Chilly weather is here, so we need to give our skin the rest and preparation it needs for the perfect autumn glow. This month's box is for the calm me time. You need to repair from the summer heat and prep for the upcoming winter with rejuvenation and hydration in mind, because between skin concerns and skin solutions is you, and we're here to help. Hugs and kisses, the GLOSSYBOX team. And it shows you the different products in here. Everything comes neatly wrapped in tissue paper. Sorry about the noise outside. My neighbor is mowing the yard. The first product in here is from Bellapierre. It's the Pro Concealer Palette. Full size as featured. Retails for $50. Color correcting is well-known makeup artist tactic to banish imperfections through the use of color to conceal each other out. And with this palette, color correcting concealer, you can say goodbye to imperfections till your nighttime routine. If you don't know what color to use, that's fine. This palette has a color wheel to help figure out the perfect opposition and discoloration and blemishes. I don't really use like a color correcting thing, and so I'm going to be putting this one in a giveaway. I've got a 500 subscriber giveaway coming up shortly. We're close to that 500 mark. Help us get there. By Skin & Co. I have their toner, which I really love. This is the Roma Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Commage. Featured size is 30 milliliters, which this is. A full size retails for $28. Deluxe Exfoliating Cream. This face Commage features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed power, and a unique and exclusive black winter truffle extract. A powerful free radical scavenger that helps reduce the signs of aging. Here's what this looks like. I usually exfoliate my skin on Sunday nights, so this will be good to throw into the rotation. Ooh, I've heard good things about Illamasqua. It's this, their mini hydrating veil. Featured size is 7 milliliters. The full size retails for $35. It's a gel, a hydrator, and a primer all in one. Say hello to smoother skin with this self-leveling, futuristic clear gel. Microlage, vitamin C, and B3 work together to help maintain the skin's hydrating levels, creating a healthy looking, balanced finish. Here's what the packaging looks like. And then here's what the product looks like, really clear gel. So I am excited for this one. So open up these other last couples and then I'll let you know what I kind of think, because I have some thoughts. So by John Masters Organics is a Geranium and Grapefruit body milk and body wash. I think we got in a past box a shampoo and a conditioner. Featured size is, each of them are 60 milliliters. Full size retails for $48. And just because summer is gone doesn't mean you can't smell like the season. With geranium flower to smooth and tone and grapefruit to help balance and refresh, this body care duo will lock in the summer glow even when the temperature drops. So I'm going on a trip next month, and so this will be perfect to throw in the suitcase. Lastly, by Minus 417, I've never heard of them, is a Firming Radiant Mud Mask. Featured size is 12 millimeters. Full size retails for $39. This dual action 2-in-1 exfoliating and nourishing mud mask is based on a unique blend of rich Dead Sea mud that deeply cleanses the skin, absorbs excess oils and traces of impurities. So when your skin is gentle exfoliated, the skin Dead Sea cells are buffed away and your fresh skin is nourished. If you're new to my channel, I do a masking review series where I try on different masks, let you know what I think about them, and so be on the lookout for this one in an upcoming video. So here are my thoughts. So obviously there's some products for you, some products for me in here. Every single item in here, except for this one, the Bellapierre Pro Concealer Palette, they are all featured sizes. This is the only full-size product. You're paying 21 bucks. We're up at the BoxyCharm price now, where we get full-size products. So, is it worth the 21 bucks? Not in my opinion. So I'm really discerning whether the first of the year, because I am going to be getting rid of some of my boxes, because I just can't afford to keep on doing these unboxings all the time. I will still do some of them for you, but yeah, the channel isn't profitable yet, you know. So until that time comes, I have to cut back just a little bit. I'm still gonna do, and I've got some other things kind of planned too. So yeah, I'm not too hip on this. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me. When you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.